Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're diving into ToolHive, a lightweight utility that makes it incredibly easy and secure to deploy and manage MCP servers. Whether you are working with GitHub Copilot, Cursor, or other tools, ToolHive brings container security and configuration automation into dev workflow like never before. Let's get it installed and running on a freshly installed Ubuntu. Let's get started. This VM is running Ubuntu. Make sure you have got Docker or Podman installed since ToolHive uses containerization. I will use Docker here. If you haven't installed Docker yet, run the following commands. Now, let's verify Docker is working. ToolHive is a code-based CLI tool. You can install it by downloading the binary or building from the source. For this demo, we'll build it from the source. Let's confirm it's installed correctly. Now, let's deploy our first MCP server using ToolHive. First, enable auto discovery so it can connect to compatible client. Now, run the fetch MCP server. This tool lets LLMs fetch website content. You will see the container being plugged and the server starting. You can check running servers like this. Let's try a real example. Setting up a GitHub MCP server that requires an authentication token. We'll securely manage secrets like with ToolHive's encrypted provider. You'll be prompted to enter your GitHub token securely. Once done, let's run the GitHub MCP server. ToolHive comes with built-in MCP registry. You can browse and get details of the available server like this. Let's now run a custom MCP server using an image. For example, ToolHive wraps a container securely, add labels, and create a proxy on a random port. ToolHive supports protocol schema like UVX, NPX, and Go. Let's run a Python-based MCP directly from UVX. Or a Node.js-based server. Or even local Go projects. ToolHive allows permission customization via JSON profiles. For example, save this as profile.json and use it like this. ToolHive now supports running MCP server in Kubernetes using an operator. If you are curious to try this out locally, set up a kind cluster and follow the documentation in the repo. If auto discovery isn't working, you can manually register a client. And that's a full walkthrough on ToolHive on Ubuntu. As you can see, it's a powerful tool for secure, reproducible MCP server deployment. Whether you are integrating with GitHub Copilot or running custom tools, ToolHive has you covered. Drop your questions in the comment, like, and subscribe for more tutorials like this.